someone into recovery, but you can support them in getting there. I'm Stephen Trotter. Recovery from addiction is possible, and it starts with understanding and support. Recovery isn't a straight line. It takes time, structure, and access to care. That can mean detox, therapy, group support, medication-assisted treatment, or all of the above. One of the biggest barriers, stigma. People struggling with substance use are often seen as reckless, weak, or dangerous. That shame keeps them from asking for help, and it keeps others from offering it. But addiction is treatable, and people do recover. They return to school, rebuild relationships, raise families, and thrive. Whether you're going as a future health professional or you're just a human, your role is to be informed, empathetic, and ready to refer people to the right resources. Recovery is real, but it takes a culture that chooses support over shame. You might be part of someone's turning point, and that matters.